Yo, what's up guys? It's me. I'm back and I'm playing Rust. Alright, I know I'm gonna break down the barrels. I already hear shooting and shit, so like this server, I picked a small server. But I wanna go to the train yard.
Don't go out and fucking paint some fucking trains. Fucking trains.
I found some sort of barn. And it's got like lasers. That's so weird. Oh, there's one right there as well. Alright, we got mad ton of wood. Like lots of wood from doing that. So, we just need some rocks and we should be good. What is that? How do I even get out of this shit, bro? There you go, that was my door. Fucking cross them out, get fucked. P9.
Oh my god!
Fuck. He's in P9, I'm in P10.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh my god, yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, no, I'm dead. Did you see that? Oh my god. Are you fucking... Wait, what the fuck, bro?
Sí, papi chulo, sí, papi chulo, sí, papi chulo, sí, papi chulo. Chupapi muna nyo. Chupapi muna nyo, chupapi muna nyo.
How are you? What are you up to?
Nothing, just join the server.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. What do you need? Wood?
Honestly, I was just running around to look around, but that would be awesome. Thank you.
Yeah.
You too.
Being friendly is okay. I see people over here. Yeah, doing a spinny dance. Spinny dance. I saw you doing the spinning.
What's up, dude?
I saw you spinning.
I just got PC today, dude. I'm fucking enjoying the fuck out of this shit. I was playing the pre-access to the Rust beta. There's a guy behind you over there. He's jumping towards us.
Oh, he's got shit. He's got so much stuff.
I just started playing, dude.
Oh.
Yeah, I've been on this fucking game for 4 hours. Oh shit.
What?
No.
No.
Let me take the bow at least. I'm probably gonna die in like 5 minutes.
There's a shotgun there.
You want to actually team up or something? I've got like a little small base over by Outpost right now.
We'll go check it out then.
Yo.
Oh.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
Yo!
There's someone on the cliffs above us. How did you even get up there?
That's wild. Yeah, I'm fucking confused.
Oh.
Oh, who's that guy?
Yeah, he's
He ripped on by.
He just wandered by.
Is that better?
Did he press on the TC box? Terror?
What am I?
Wait, the naked just grabbed.
You would have to authorize on there.
Shit, come back here.
What did the other guy do?
Hey, that he seemed chill, did he not? He took everything, actually. That's what happened. That's okay. We can go over to my base. I still have stuff.
Yeah. Alright. Oh wow. What happened here?
It's them. This is them.
Who can say where the road goes?
Is this his base? Come on. Yes.
I'm trying to research the guns over to the right. The flashlight, the scope, the pistol, the sniper rifle, and the Thompson.
We probably have a good view from up here, where it is. Oh look, they're right here.
Hello? Who's there?
It's me.
Who's you? What's your name?
I'm here. I brought berries. I brought berries, I swear! I brought berries, I've got berries. No, no! Oh, fucking dogs!
Yeah.
Broke my legs.
We know you're in it. So you got.
Fuck. Hello! Don't forget. Okay. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. You douchebag. Come at me, bro.
I don't even have a gun. I don't even have a gun.
Throw your grenades better.
You smell like dogs. Are you British? Are you British? Get shit on. Get shit on. Get shit on. Get shit on. You're fucking British, man. You're fucking British. You motherfucker British.
Fucking British, man.
I will fuck you.
You sound like Ninja, bro.
Fuck you say to me, you little shit!
Come on, slave. You're my slave. Let's go. Follow me. I'm gonna give you a gun, okay? Come on. Hey, I think there might be someone up here. I should kill him.
Yes.
So what's your name? What's your name?
My name's Terry.
Thomas?
Yeah.
Terry
Thomas.
Raid? That's nice, Terry Raid. Hey, you know, there's a YouTuber on the server. His name's Spoonkid. Yeah, I'm Spoonkid. How did you know? Yo, I said we raid some base. Are you trying to raid someone?
Yeah, let's do it.
I got Boo in my base. You wanna come?
Alright.
Yo, I think there's someone in his base up here. I said we try to kill him.
Alright, easy. Let's do it.
Terry, go. Terry. Go up to the base and be like, please come outside, I'm just naked, okay?
Alright,
Be like,
easy.
come outside, I'm naked. Alright.
Hello, can anyone help me? Can you guys help me? I'm outside and I'm naked. And
What's
I
up?
have
No,
no clue.
Terry, yo! Hey!
Hey, what's up? Hey,
Hey, Terry.
I'm Terry.
We've interacted before.
Yo, are they friendly, Terry? Yo, Terry, are they friendly?
Yeah.
I don't know, the laser's
Here,
kind of
Terry, I'll give you a
sussy.
present, okay? Terry, stay right there, okay?
You're fine, Terry.
Terry, bro.
Stay
Hello.
out there, Terry, I'll be right back, man.
Alright, easy.
I'm protecting you, Terry. Terry, we're gonna go for that airdrop.
Alright, Terry, I'm here. Who the... Here you go.
My lord, thank you.
Put it on. Put it on. Put it on.
I look like Ned
Alright,
Kelly.
come on, Terry, let's go. We're gonna
Oh
go
my
home.
gosh, I am Ned Kelly.
We're gonna go home.
Yeah.
Yo, Terry's ready to roam. Terry's
Hey,
ready to
let's-
roam.
Terry, we're gonna go
Let's
get
walk
that
some
airdrop,
souls.
Terry.
Terry, come back. Come
Alright.
back.
Where's this air thing?
Let's go for that supply drop, Terry.
Oh,
See it?
alright,
Right
let's
there?
do it.
We're gonna go for that, alright? Here, wait for my boys,
Alright, easy.
Here, Terry, I got you some meds for the
I
fight.
did not see
Yeah.
shit. Man.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, with the boys.
Nah,
Wait.
Terry, Terry, you lead the line. Here, Terry, take that off.
Bo is ahead. We're gonna kill a Bo kid.
Oh, okay.
I'll bodyguard you, Terry. Terry, come back here.
Oh, dope. Awesome.
Hey, yo, Terry, come here.
Yo.
Take the boat, Terry.
Cheers.
Here, Terry, catch this. There you go, Terry.
Cheers. Alright. That thing's coming down.
There you go, Terry. Terry's so hot. You're so cute.
Look at my
Yo,
suit.
Terry, are you from Auschwitz?
You sound like you're from New Zealand.
No, I'm from Australia.
You sound like you're from New Zealand.
Oh, you bloody
What's
wanker.
the difference?
I don't
Yeah,
know.
we're from Portugal.
There's probably people creeping up on us right now.
Run! Run, Terry! Run! No, Terry,
What is that? Oh my lord.
There you go,
my
Terry.
lord.
Don't kill him! Terry, here you go.
There's a naked behind you, Terry.
Oh. Those naked people.
Terry, run! Terry, run!
What? Right. They're over here, mate. They're in this hole.
Shut the fuck up, Terry.
Ah, yeah! Holy shit.
I killed him because I'm like such a shut up. I'm just really good at the game.
There's someone in this barn. There's a fucking naked.
Hey, no, the fuck there ain't, bro.
Get him, Terry. Get him, Terry.
What the
Whoa, what is that?
Yo, Terry.
Yeah, what's up? I'm Terry.
Terry, could you boost me to the bait?
Yeah. Hey.
Ah, sorry, Terry. You scared the fuck out. You scared me, Terry. My bad, man.
I'm sorry. Yeah, there's someone coming over here with bows.
Turn your light off. Turn your light off.
I hit them with my rock.
Nah, Terry, you're my slave. Remember, you can't leave.
I need
mine
to
forever.
go. I've had it. This is my final straw.
Terry, can I at least put you out? Can I finish you off, Terry? Come on.
Look, just put me out.
First, let me get a kiss. First, let me get a kiss of that asshole, boy. Give me that ass, boy.
What's up, guys? Thank you so much for watching this video. Also, I want to just say, like, thank you to everyone who watched my video and it was being stupid and dying. Even though it's a stupid video, I don't know how it got that many views. I got it back on YouTube and after it got deleted. And somehow I gained a bunch of subscribers, about 2,000, because I originally had 400. But honestly, thank you whoever's watching this, and also shout out to the Spoonkid crew or whatever, whoever was playing with me, because yeah, they kind of carried the end of the episode. So I didn't have to do that much editing, but yeah. Anyways, thanks guys for watching this video. Like, comment other games I should do in the comments and whatever. Alright, catch you later. See ya.